This will be a walkthrough of installing Parallels so that you can access the TeraRecon client remotely and also upload files to TeraRecon from anywhere. The first thing is to download these two PDF files, the Parallels client setup, and then the Intuition web upload interface. They have instructions for the Parallel signup and then the uploading of cases, respectively. So here is the Parallels client setup open, and you can open directly from here to access the Parallels client, but we're going to download it for your computer here first. So I'm going to click on that link and then say allow. Here you will get the different versions of Parallel to download. Almost everybody is going to have a Windows 64-bit to do. They also have them for the Apple computer. And for that, you would just click Mac here. Going back to Windows, I'm going to use this MSI installer. Don't know what that stands for. Anybody can look it up, but let's click on the 64-bit setup. Then I'm going to click here on the downloads, click on the file. This is my downloads file on the local disk. I'm going to double click on the install package. And then the Parallels installer will open up. You click Next, accept the terms of the licensing agreement, then Next. Parallels Customer Experience Program. I would disable that. Then where it's going to load, this is correct. Go Next. You probably don't want a shortcut in the startup folder. You probably want to launch it yourself when you're ready. Otherwise, it'll gum up your computer's ability to start quickly. When shadowing is enabled, your IT administrator can access. So this you do not need. So this is your personal computer. So do not allow shadowing. This RAS single sign-on component is installed. Your credentials are automatically used. Yeah, this is a do not, you don't have to install that. Then you click install. You would hit yes. This shouldn't take too long. You can skip through all these green bars. I may get I'm going to upload this immediately, but then I'll have our media director, Noble, maybe edit this out. So here it's asking, do you want to launch it for the first time? Sure, we'll finish. You have no RAS connection configured. Would you like to add one now? Okay, so here we have to go back to the instructions. And here it says new connection. We're going to put in learncloud.terarecon.com and then click next. So we're going to say yes to this and then say just that. learn.cloud.terarecon.com. And RAS is just a term that means a gateway between your computer and um, uh, this Parallels program and this desktop program. Okay, is that correct? Yes. Next. And then let's see, it says that to log in. So here you're going to have a username and temporary password that the TeraRecon folks have sent to you. I already have mine. Let's hit create. Now it's asking for my credentials. I've already redone my password. Yours will be temporary. It'll prompt you to redo it. Now I have to remember it. Oops, not easy as an old guy. Now, one caveat about the password. They require 2 uppercase ASCII characters, 2 numbers, and 2 non-alphanumeric things like a $sign. So if you are doing just one of each, it won't work. Anyway, here we'll connect. I'm going to let it stop thinking. But here we have access to the application. And now if you launch it, you'll see the cases that are on the server right now. This top one, it's anonymized, but I didn't key it with the proper code. So we don't have the ability to delete. If you upload something by accident, send the accidental patient ID and name to Michael Johnson so we can take those off. But then here you can see if you have a fast internet connection, this works pretty fast. And you can manipulate it just like you'll be able to in the course. This is good for practicing. Okay, so now everything is working for getting onto the server. I'll minimize this. We're going to switch now to the instructions for uploading. Uploading can occur from anywhere. You don't need the Parallels to do it. You just need your password, and this is the site you click. This takes you right to the back end of that server. And when you click it and hit login, this will take a minute here, maybe. No, okay, so here we're in. Now, um, this is a little bit confusing because to upload, you have to hunt um, your uh, um, account management, and then which is up here. Uh, so I'm clicking on that. Then from here, you would say manage studies, and then you would say upload. And then you can drag or drop or choose a folder and bring in your any folder containing DICOM images. Uh, you should have anonymized it before you get to this point. So don't worry about this. And then you would click the upload button. Now, I don't have a file to do that. One problem we're having is that sometimes the files are being routed to a different server. We're on server 6. So, and then there's also a lag between when you upload it and when it's available on the server. So if that happens, um, if you upload something and then the next day it's not there, Mike may have routed it, your account to the wrong place, in which case you have to let us know. My files aren't appearing on the TeraRecon server that we're using. Um, there are a bunch of different servers that they have. I think it's up to 6. So, um, so yeah, that's the long and short of it. I hope that's helpful.